So
I really talked to it and it died.
did you talk to the budgie and it died?
No!
Was it?
That day was a school day. A school day. We were at school.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Saalim Al Azhari and today I'm joined by Abdurrahman, Power Ranger, Brachiosaurus, and on my left,
Mariam and Bubu.
Mariam and Bubu, and to her left,
Abdullah, Power Ranger, Giraffe, Brachiosaurus, and Peter.
you've brought all of their friends. Okay, guys, now I'm going to ask you a very important question. I'm going to ask Abdurrahman a very important question. Shh, quiet, guys. Okay, everybody at home, just be quiet. Abdurrahman, what is your favorite animal?
Elephant.
An elephant. Ooh, now who knows about an elephant story in the Quran? Okay, Mariam?
No.
Okay, Abdullah?
Surah Feel.
Tell me what happened. What's the story about the elephant?
The story about the elephant. So, he wanted to stop.
Shh, let him tell a story. What happened? Okay, shall I help you? Okay, you forgot. That's okay. One day there was a king. He wanted to stop.
There was a king and he wanted to
One at a time.
He wanted to destroy the Kaaba and
elephants
to destroy the Kaaba.
Yeah.
Then he walked them to the Kaaba, and then when they got closer, the elephant sat down.
Exactly. So there was this big elephant. It was huge like a tank, and it stomped all the way to the Kaaba. Who knows how an elephant stomps?
Stop!
That's a very big elephant stomp. Now, when it got to the...
elephant shoes.
That's okay. When it got there, what do you think happened next? The elephant stopped and Allah sent... Who knows? Tayran Ababil. So Allah sent birds in groups. So Ababil means groups.
And they threw stones down
Yes.
the king's army.
Now groups, when I say groups, imagine when you go to school in the playground, what happens? What do you do in the mornings? Hold on. I'm asking Abdurrahman.
We have our breakfast.
You have your breakfast? Okay, after that, when you're in the
So,
playground.
so we line up in lines.
Yeah.
We line up in lines.
Yes.
And wait for our teachers.
Yes.
And our head teacher
Yes.
to say that we can come in.
Good. So you're in groups, in lines. So the birds, they came in all of these groups, and they were all there. Now.
And they were throwing stones down.
Yes. So instead.
King's army.
Exactly. So
And one of them threw it down to the king, the last one, and the king died.
yeah. So instead of rain, stones were coming down, and the birds had what?
Like raining stones.
Raining stones. So one, they had a stone in their mouth, and two in their claws, and that's how they defeated the army. And then Allah says, فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ. Now, what does ma'kul mean?
What does ma'kul mean?
Good. Yeah, so if we don't know, everybody, we always need to ask. So ma'kul is like, do you remember when we had a budgie?
Yes.
What did we feed the budgie? Do you remember?
Seeds.
Yeah, seeds.
I
So
really
it's,
talked to it and it died.
did you talk to the budgie and it died?
No!
Was it?
That day was a school day. A school day. We were at school.
All right, don't worry. So you feed it the bird seeds, right?
Yeah.
So Allah says He made the army like bird seeds, very weak. So the birds were throwing stones and the army was so weak it was like little seeds.
It was like a hat. Like
Yes.
if you just step on a seed, it just died.
Yes.
It's the same with like his army.
Yes.
The stones just came and they died.
So Allah says that Allah knows everything. He knew about the plot to try and destroy the Kaaba. So, Abdullah, if Shaitan tells us to come and do something like,
We
you know,
shouldn't do it.
good. So if he says, take something from the sweet cupboard without asking your parents, should we do it?
No.
No. If he says, don't pray, shall we do it? No. If he says, tell a lie, shall we do it?
No way.
If he says, don't listen to mummy and daddy.
No way.
Notice how I mentioned that twice. Okay, guys. Right, now, Abdurrahman, when we need some help, who do we ask? Who do we ask? Hold on, let me ask Abdurrahman. I'm asking a very important question, guys.
We ask our sisters and brothers and adults.
We ask your adults if you need help. But before that, when we start our work, what do we say?
Bismillah.
So it means we are... Good.
That's what you're eating.
All right, so we're asking Allah for help.
If you forget to do anything,
Yes, good. We can always ask Allah if we forget. But at the beginning, we should try and remember to say Bismillah. Right now. So that's what... Okay, we can say that as well. So that brings us to the end of this surah of Rahman. I can see you're very into this surah, aren't you? Right now. Let's see the surah Alam Tara.
كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل
ألم يج كيدهم في
وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل
Okay. فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. What's my password, Abdurrahman? I can't tell you in front of everybody else. Okay.
6.
Abdullah's told everyone my password. Okay, everybody.
No, that's not the password. Yes, it is.
All right. It's good that you didn't mention the right one. Everybody say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.